In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take a backup of a Supabase database. We'll walk through a simple, reliable path inside the Supabase dashboard that helps you safeguard your project by moving it under the right custodianship. I'll add helpful context along the way so you know exactly what you're doing and why it matters. Start by opening your browser and heading to supabase.com. Sign into your account and make sure you're in the correct organization or workspace where the project you want to protect lives. For actions that change project control or access, you'll typically need elevated permissions, so confirm you have the right role before continuing. Once you're in the dashboard, click on your project. Take a moment to confirm you've selected the correct one. Check the name and any key identifiers so there's no confusion. If you're doing this as part of a broader backup routine, it's a good idea to perform the operation during a quiet period for your team to minimize any surprises. Keeping notes of the current setup, like region, plan, and critical integrations, can also help with future audits or recovery drills. Inside your project, open Project Settings. You'll find this in the sidebar of the dashboard. Project Settings is where Supabase centralizes administrative actions, including security, access control, and project-level lifecycle operations. Think of this area as your control room for maintaining the integrity and continuity of your data and services. Scroll down and click Transfer Project. This option is designed to hand over ownership of the entire project, database, authentication, storage, and configuration to a chosen destination within Supabase. Many teams use this as part of a custodial backup strategy where the project is placed under a different or designated owner or organization to reduce risk and ensure continuity. The data itself stays intact. What changes is who controls the project and its billing and permissions. Because of that, review the destination carefully, confirm that the recipient has the right access policies in place, and communicate with stakeholders before you proceed. Depending on your workspace, you may be prompted to review details and confirm the transfer. Follow the on-screen instructions provided by Supabase. That's the full flow. Go to supabase.com, open your project, head into Project Settings, and use Transfer Project to move the project to the appropriate custodian for safekeeping. As a final tip, document what you did, including the project name and destination, and verify access after the transfer so your team knows exactly where to find and manage the database going forward.